Hello, good morning, children. In the previous class, you have studied about the ancient civilization of India. That is the Harappan civilization and Harappan civilization. Today, let us study about the Vedic civilization. Now, here this is India, children, and we are Harappan civilization and the Vedic civilization took place here. Today let us study about the Vedic civilization. In the previous class you have studied about the Harappan civilization when the nomadic life became stable and the first urbanization, significance of the cities and also the Mohenjo-daro town, priest king, town planning and the town life and decline of the towns. Today, let us study about the Vedic age. Vedic age, here the Aryans, they were the people lived during the Vedic age period. The Aryans compiled the Vedas. They put together the Vedas. Aryans belong to the early Indo-European tribes. They were early European tribes of southern Russia, Ural mountain slopes. Here, Aryans they put together the Vedas. They belong to the Indo-Europeans of southern Russia. Now, here they come from the southern Russia, children. Here southern Russia, from here they were the tribes of Indo-European tribes of southern Russia. They have come from the Ural mountain slopes, and when they came to the Central Asia and to the here Iran plateau, and from there to the Punjab here. So they were originally belonged to the they were in Indo-European tribes and belongs to southern Russia here, and from that to the Central Asia, then from there to the they came to the Iran plateau, and from there Punjab. They migrated to Punjab. Now these they have come from Europe. They were early European tribes. Many groups of this tribe came to Iran plateau through Central Asia and there migrated to Punjab. And this Vedic period was between 1500 BCE and 700 BCE, and this period has been identified as Vedic period. This is divided into two. That is, the first part is called Rigveda period and the second part is called post Rigveda period. The first part is from 1500 BCE to 1000 BCE, and the second part is between 1000 BCE and 700 BCE. Vedas were first in the oral form, then it emerged in the written form. This is about the Vedic age, children, Vedic period, and they had divided Vedic period into two parts, and from where how the Aryans came. And we have the four Vedas. Four Vedas here. The four Vedas as Rig Veda, Sama Veda, Yajur Veda, Atharva Veda are the four Vedas, children, and these Vedas will study in the next class. Thank you, children.